Today we will be testing the volatility adjusted momentum indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the volatility adjusted momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 60 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 778 indicators, with 315 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 20 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the volatility adjusted momentum indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Let me make one slight adjustment here. Let's do that there. Make it just a tad bit easier to see. Don't really need to change these, but we can anyways. Maybe do something like that. Make things stand out just a tad bit more. And so as you can see, this is kind of similar to what you would think of like the RSI, where it kind of has this center zone right here, this band running down the middle, and then it has this upper line and lower line here, and we have the oscillating line there in the middle. And so what we have is essentially overbought and oversold type zones. And so just like we have done with other indicators like this, especially the RSI, is that we're looking for when the oscillating line breaks either up above the upper band or down below the lower band. And when it breaks up above that upper band, as you can see, we are looking for short opportunities. That's why the line there turns red. And so what we're looking for is the break above, and then we are looking for it to then break the oscillating line, break back down into the center zone here, and that will be a signal to go short. On the reverse side, when it breaks down below, we get that green switch, that green color in the line there, and then we are looking for the oscillating line to then pass back into the center zone, break back into the center zone, and close back into that center zone, and that will be a signal to then go long. And so that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. Again, we get that line, that oscillating line there, comes down and breaks down below the lower band here. You can see that we get that switch, that green coloration switch there in the oscillating line, and then we waited for it to then come back and break back into the center zone, close back into the center zone here, and we took a long right here would be the trigger candle, and this right here would be our entry candle, and we get a really nice push to the upside there, which does come up, and it does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short signal right here. The oscillating line comes up, breaks up above the lower one there, or the upper band there, closing above that upper band, giving us that red coloration in the oscillating line. Then wait for it to then come back and close back into the center zone right here, which it does right there on that candle. We do get a push to the upside here, a little bit of a correction as it pushes up, but it is able to stay within our stop. It only goes up to about 80 pips or so, and so stays within our stop before it then rolls over and makes that push to the downside, and that push down does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so then we pick up another short right here on this one. Again, that oscillating line comes up, breaks above, we get the red line in it, then the close back down into the center. Unfortunately, immediately we get a push to the upside there. That does come up and stop us out. So it comes up and hits our 105 stop there. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add this up, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Patreon only channel here on our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It's free to join. You can hang out in these channels and follow along with any of the discussions taking place. This here is our Patreon only channel, though, set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information. And so, for example, one of our members, Sasquatch here, does an amazing job trading the Forex market, is a Forex prop trader, and is often putting up charts like this where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest that he is looking at, even sometimes where he is looking to take trades, kind of giving the entries, stop, take profits, stuff like that. Posting some really great chart analysis and market analysis. Our admin Jay is also doing the kind of the same thing for the futures market, like this right here, where he is kind of marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, kind of where he's looking to take trades, and will often kind of give a write-up on what it is that he's looking for and where he is kind of those areas of interest looking for the trades he's taken. And so there's a lot of great information in here for everybody to take advantage of, all the patrons to take advantage of. Highly recommend that you join us here and absorb some of the information they're throwing out for everybody. All right, so back to our indicator here. Let's get everything in focus there. All right, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So we have 24 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. You can see that kind of the biggest issue with this indicator is that it was just a little too quick. And so every slight move in the market, it was trying to throw a signal at. And you can see these clusters of losing trades that it would take. And so it would kind of give a signal one direction and it would fail, and then another signal, it would fail, and then finally it would kind of get the signal right. And so it just kept kind of taking these stabs a little too early, trying to get into the market and causing these clusters of losing trades. And so that's kind of what caused it to not be able to meet that 60% criteria. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.